Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Angelic Witchery. My name is Alice, and yeah, hi! So today's video is just basically going to be, I guess, an unboxing of the Urban Decay Elements Palette. And so I got this palette for Christmas and I'm super excited to open it because when I went to Sephora to go look at it, it was just so much fun to play with. Like, I was just picking out shades of this what is it, sample, I think you'd call it, and then like I'd swatch it on my arm and it was so great. So I want to see if this one is going to be as fun to play with as the one was in the store. So yeah, we get to open it. So it comes in a little box that's like gold and really cute, and I kind of like the festival vibe about it because I love festivals, I love music festivals, I love raves, so I love how they kind of incorporated sort of a Burning Man vibe about it. I don't know, this entire box just reminds me about Burning Man for some reason. Yeah, I know, it's like the most random thing, but yeah. And then as you can see, it shows all the shades in the back, and the one at the store actually did look like this, like the palette itself, so it's gonna be interesting to see how this one compares to the sample they had in the store. So yeah, but then it just has a lot of the shade names in the back, and it's really interesting because like the shade names are very interesting. There's Ego, Dreamweaver, Firestarter. Again, it just has like a Burning Man theme. I don't know why, so that's exciting. But let's get into opening it. Oh, okay, kind of hard to open. And then, so I checked, and to my knowledge, Urban Decay is cruelty free because I have decided not to get anything if it is if it isn't cruelty free. So, okay, so I pulled it out and it's gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. Like, this is amazing, incredible. And now I am going to open it. Oh. And so yeah, it is pretty pigmented, like it's what I remember it to be. It's really you can see my Christmas tree. Hi, Christmas tree. But yeah, okay, it's like a little bit lighter than what I remember from in the store, so that's kind of odd, but maybe that's because people were probably mixing other colors into the palette itself. So again, really nice colors. Here, I'll like give you guys a close-up. I like how rainbow this palette is. It's really nice. Don't really like the mirror. Whoops, not the mirror, but just like the fact that like some of the stuff has like some of the residue from the shadows has rubbed onto the mirror, so I didn't like that. But other than that, like, this is pretty decent. And then I got a new brush from the Sephora collection because I'm cheap as fuck. And here we go. So this is the new Sephora brush I got, and it's, oh, sorry, I have to be a beauty guru for a second, even though I'm really not. But like, yeah, that's the brush. And so now I guess we're gonna swatch some of this. I don't know, I just pulled the brush out because I wanted to pull the brush out. I don't really swatch with a brush, but let's try the Hex Remedy because I like hexes. Well, I don't like hexes, but like, I like the name of the shade. Okay, so that is like one little finger swatch, and this is what it did. So again, really pigmented. I love the pigmentation of this. Like, the pigmentation of it is amazing. And then I'm gonna take another shade. So that was this shade right here that I just swatched, and now I'm gonna take the blue shade right there, which is called Sapphire Dream. And I'm just gonna swatch it again. Like, look at the pigmentation. Like, guys, I'm dying over the pigmentation. Usually my problem with palettes is that they're not as pigmented, so it's really annoying to just deal with that. Oh my goodness, that's stunning. So I did this, which was this was like the original Sapphire Dream shade right here, and then I created this by blending this and this together to create that. So again, loads of pigmentation, and the blendability is absolutely stunning. this is such a good palette. Like, I can't get over it, and the design is just amazing. Like, if you can afford this palette, I say go for it 100%, because the price tag is really steep, but right now they're on sale for $26 at Urban Decay. So the Urban Decay website. So yes, please get it, because this Elements palette is like, it rocked my world, and I'm just starting to get into makeup, so this is like pretty exciting. So that is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe. I make a new video every week, and yeah, until then, I love you. Bye.